Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something important that can help you if you're missing a tooth, a dental implant. Getting a dental implant might sound a bit puzzling, but think of it like planting a small tree where you once had a tooth. Before anything happens, you'll chat with your dentist, who will use magical pictures called X-rays to see what's going on inside your mouth. This helps plan how to put the new tooth in, which can take a little while since your mouth needs healing time afterward. Now, everyone wonders if it hurts. Guess what? During the procedure, you feel as comfy as lying on a pillow. That's because the dentist uses special sleepy medicine called anesthesia, so your tooth area doesn't feel a thing. After it's done, you might have a sore spot, like when you scrape your knee, but it goes away quickly with a little rest, yummy soft foods like yogurt, and some medicines. The real fun part is when the dentist crowns your new tooth. It's like putting a shiny hat on, making your smile look fantastic. Thinking about getting a tooth tree might seem serious, so remember to keep brushing and visiting the dentist to keep your smile looking beautiful for many years.